imagination is more important than knowledge. Knowledge is limited. Imagination encircles the world. There are only two ways to live your life. One is as though nothing is a miracle. The other is as though everything is a miracle. It's not that I'm so smart. It's just that I stay with problems longer. Education is what remains after one has forgotten what one has learned at school. I believe in intuitions and inspirations. I sometimes feel that I am right. I do not know that I am right. If you can't explain it to a 6-year-old, you don't understand it yourself. Unthinking respect for authority is the greatest enemy of truth. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. Logic will get you from A to B. Imagination will take you everywhere. Strive not to be a success, but rather to be of value. Look deep into nature, and then you will understand everything better. The monotony and solitude of a quiet life stimulates the creative mind. Two things are infinite: the universe and human stupidity. And I'm not sure about the universe. Never memorize something you can look up. Once we accept our limits, we go beyond them. Imagination is everything. It is the preview of life's coming attractions. Most people say that it is the intellect which makes a great scientist. They are wrong. It is character. Great spirits have always encountered violent opposition from mediocre minds. No problem can be solved from the same level of consciousness that created it. Anyone who has never made a mistake has never tried anything new. Reality is merely an illusion, albeit a very persistent one.